What's up, guys? Today I'm going to be showing you how to put on a spoiler on your BMW. Alright, so first things first, we got to wash the car, so cue the cinematic edit. Alright guys, we just finished washing the car. It's all nice and clean. Now we gotta rub some alcohol on here, make sure there's no wax on the surface. I recently took this off because it was falling off anyways. I didn't properly put it, so I gotta take off this 3M before I put it down again. And then yeah. Alright, so basically what I did when I took this off, I stripped off all the other 3M and I put on some more 3M double-sided tape so this will stick. Hopefully this time I do it correctly and it won't be all fucking uneven and shit. We finally got all the 3M off. This shit was a bitch and a half to get off. Alright, so I heard that if you put a little bit of Windex on top of the double-sided tape, you will have a little bit of time to adjust where you want it so it'll fit better. Because my ducktail, it's kind of a little strange. It wraps around, so you can't really do the tape trick where you fold it over. So we're gonna test out this method and see if it works. Okay, so now we're gonna get some masking tape and tape it up so it'll dry and stay there. Alright guys, we got it all finished and it definitely worked a lot better using the Windex to hold it in, or to keep it a little bit wet so we can have a little wiggle room. And it's definitely a way more flush than it was before I took it off. So we're just going to keep this tape on for about 12 to 24 hours and then we're good.